student, how are you? I hope you all are perfectly fine at your home and enjoying the online classes from LPM Public School. Students, as we know that your chapter number 6 is in proceeding, so your all explanation related to this chapter are over and now today we are going to explain about your exercise of chapter number 6. The name of this chapter, living or non-living things. In this chapter you have also learned about the what is the living things and what is non-living things. And before the describing this exercise, we have also revised about the living or non-living things. Students, which type of things known as the living things? As we know that which things they can move, they can grow, they can need to food, and they can also produce the kinds of food that is called living things, as like animals, birds, plants, and human being also. Because the human being also move, grow, and they need to food, and animals and birds also, and they can also move one place to another place. But the plants cannot move from one place to another place because they have no need to search the food for their own, because the plants make their own food. But we are means human being and animals and birds are depend on for the food on the plants. And students, and what is the non-living things? Such type of things which they cannot move, they cannot grow, they cannot eat, and they cannot breathe, those are called non-living things, as like table, chair, board, pen, pencil, paper. It all are non-living things. Non-living things cannot move, grow, and breathe. So students, in the proceeding of this chapter, today we are going to explain about the exercise related to this chapter. Your first exercise is objective type question, and the option A is fill in the blanks with the correct word. In this exercise, you have to solve this question by the fill in the blanks. First is a bird moves with the help of, your options are wings and fin. How can the bird move with the help of? As we know that a bird moves with the help of wing. So students, you have to feel the wing. You have to feel the wings. Spelling of wing, WINGS. So your option number 1 is right. And next, a fish moves with the help of, your options are wings and fins. How fish move? A fish move with the help of fins. Spelling of fins, FINS. So your option number 2 is right. Third, leaves of the options are mimosa or lotus close up when touched. Which plants, when we touched them, then close up? The leaves of mimosa plants close up when we touched. So you have to feel the mimosa. Spelling of mimosa, Mimosa. And your options first is right. So you have to feel the mimosa. And now next, plants breathe through teeny holes in their options are flower, leaves. Plants breathe through teeny holes in their leaves. So students, spelling of leaves Leaves, and you have to feel leaves. The spelling of leaves Leaves, and your option second is right. And students, your last is only animals. Your options are only animals and plants feel changes around them. So as we know that animal and plants also feel changes around them. So you have to feel animals and plants. You have to feel animals and plants. And now next exercise is choose the correct option. This is your exercise number B. Choose the correct option. In this exercise, you have to choose the correct option and trick. Your question is, why do living things need food? Students, why do living things need food? As we know that the living things need food to grow, to move, to work. So, your option number D is right. Your option number D is right. All of these. Because the living things need food to grow, to work, to move. So option number D is right. And second question is, which of these organs help animals to feel changes around them? Students, which organs help animals to feel changes around them? Students, your options are sense organs, B antenna, C fins and wing, and last both A and D. Both. So students, your option number D is right. Both A and B. Sense organs and antenna helps to feel changes around them. Help to animals to the feel changes around them. And third question is, which of the following is not a sense organ? In these options, which option is not a sense organ? Your options are eye, tongue, leg, ear. As we know that there are 5 sense organs: eye, ear, nose, tongue, skin. So in these options, the leg is a odd one out. So eye, tongue and ear is a sense organ and leg is a not sense organ. So option number C is a right answer. And question number 4, which of the following living things do not lay eggs but give birth to a baby? In which options, which is living things do not lay eggs and but give birth to a baby? As we know that the woman give the birth to a baby. So your option number C is right, woman. And now question number 5. The leaves of which plants close up when touched? The leaves of which plant close up when touched? Which plants close up when touched? As we know that the mimosa plants close up when touched. So your option number A is right, mimosa. Now question number 6. What helps insect to breathe? What helps insects to breathe? The air holes helps insects to breathe. Your options are lung, air holes, nose and gills. So your option number B is right. Air holes helps insect to breathe. Now next question is, which of the following animals is not a bird? In these options, which of the following animals is not a bird? So students, you can see pigeon, parrot and crow. It is such type of a bird, but horse is a animal. So you can trick on the horse. Your option number A is right. Which of the following living things do not go in search of their food? In this option, which of the following living things do not go in search of their food? So students, as we know that the plants do not go in search of their food. So your option number D is right. And now students, this is your last question. 9. By which process do living things produce more of their own kind? Students, as we know that the reproduction by the reproduction the living things produce more of their own kind. So your option number D is right. And now students, this is your second question, very short answer type question, and the topic is the type of question. Write one word for the following. Students, you have to give the one word answer of this question. Your question is, things that move, grow, breathe, need food, feel changes and reproduce. That is called, what is called? Things that move, grow, breathe, need food, feel changes and reproduce. Students, as we know that is called living things, because the living things need food, move, grow, breathe. They can breathe and they can also feel changes and reproduce. So your answer of this question is living thing. And your next question is, part of a plant that help is to breathe. Which part of the plant help it to breathe? As we know that the leaves of a plant help it to breathe. So you have to write the leaves. And third question is, part of an insect that help it to feel changes around it. Students, as we know that the antenna is the part of an insect that helps it to feel changes around it. So you have to feel the antenna. Spelling of antenna, ANTENNAE. And students, today's some exercise has been solved, and students, this exercise you have also write in your fair copy and complete your home assignment. And thanks a lot for watching this video. We will meet again in our next video. Goodbye and take care.